We all agree that file upload and download are one of the most important concepts while dealing with API testing, right? And I've seen people struggling with uploading a file as well as downloading it using APIs, right? So in this video, I'm gonna show you step by step how you can perform the file upload and download in Rest Assured in a very simple manner. All right, so let's get started. Hey guys, welcome to Testing Academy. My name is Pramod and welcome to the 30 days of API testing with Rest Assured. Guys, this is going to be a short video where we'll mostly discuss about how to upload a particular file to a server by making an API request, as well as how you can download the same file or any kind of a JSON file, text file, and save it to your local, right? So let's move on to the mind map. So to basically, whenever we are dealing with file upload and download, most of the time we are using the STP method, which is post in that case, right? And Rest Assured provides, if you are dealing with upload, Rest Assured already provide a particular method which is called as multi-part that you can use, and where you just need to mention the path of the file as well as the content type. So you need to just mention what kind of content that you are sending. For example, if you are submitting a form data, then you have to do basically you have to mention the multi-part slash form data, right? And if you are dealing with text plain text HTML, and appropriately that you need to send it, right? All right. And similarly, if you want to download it directly, you can basically get the response of Rest Assured and convert them into directly by using response.getBody as a byte array and save it to your file, right? So let me show you practically how we are going to do the same thing. So right now I have opened this post request in a Postman. So this is the URL that we are using, and in the body part, suppose I want to upload something. So I'm going to select form data, and I have to here the first thing first you need to change to file because we are sending file in that case. And here if we do select, let's upload a simple file. I'm gonna use the same ppta file. Let's send it, right? Right. So if you see, we are getting a successful, let's do a preview. So file uploaded successfully ppta.png, it means everything works fine, right? So similarly, this request we have to emulate the same thing into the Rest Assured, right? So how we can do it the same? So let's jump into IntelliJ. Now what I have done is that I have created an instance of a file, and I have basically given an absolute path of this file, right? It is present in download, so I have added here. Now you just need to make a request which is rest assured.given, and here in the given part where we basically preparing the request, right? You need to mention what is a method which is called as multi-part in that case. So this is a multi-part file where you need to mention the key, which is the file that we have used here, right? Because we are submitting a forms and the name of the form is file in that case. And here you need to mention the content type. So basically we are using multi-part form data. And how do you get the name? So let me show you how you can get the name. So make sure you open the source, and what you can do, uh, so the simplest method to get the API request is basically doing practically here, and just open the network tab and click on upload. Go to all requests, right? So if you see upload request here, and here if you see, right, what it is, so we are doing a content type, as you can see, multi-part form data, right, that we are sending in header. And if you see, we have successfully uploaded the file in the UI format. So right now we can use this API. So endpoint will be this file, and content type we have already mentioned, so that we are doing here. And cookies and all, you don't need to send anything else apart from the file, right? And yeah, so that's how I have got this thing. So you have a URL which is this one, file, and here is a header, that content type that you need to mention, and this is the file name. And similarly, if you upload the same file, so let me run it here, and it will basically upload the file, right? So it's very simple. In Rest Assured, you just need to change your content type, your multi-part, basically. And here, yeah, so upload is successful, it means everything works fine, right? So now suppose what you need to do is that you need to download a particular file. So let me show you how. So this is the response that we are getting. It's a JSON response, and I want to save it as a user.json in that case. So how I can do is very simple one. I need to get the response. So rest-assure.given, you can ignore, basically it's just for logging purposes. When get, so you're making a get request to this API, right? Now the response will contain all the text, right? So you need to convert this text, this body into the byte array, right? So you can use this simple method, which is basically as a byte array. And it after that, what you need to do is that you need to create a new file and basically write to that file. So that's how you will able to save it, right? And right, so let me show you this file. So it is present in downloads already. So let's run. So let me change it to pro mode in that case, so that it's a fresh program. And we are running it right now, and it will see, it will make a request, and it has successfully done it. And if you go to here and if you open this file, and here we have already all the responses, if you see, right? So downloading is also working fine. So I hope you have learned something new in this video, and that was about a quick video about a file upload and download. And let me know guys if you have learned something new in the comment box, and what are your wins for this video. And I'll see you in the next video, where we'll basically learn more about our API automation framework, and basically we are going to write some integration test cases, right? And this is the day where we will start our API automation framework, which will definitely can help you to learn rest assured in a more extensive way, right? Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.